Sports gambling in the United States isn't new. Some people estimate that it's a $50 to $150 billion industry. What the Supreme Court did on Monday is strike down PASPA, which opens the doors for gamblers across the country to place bets on sports games. What this does, it gives people a legal avenue to suddenly bet on games, to go to casinos, to racetracks, even use their phones and computers to place legal sports wagers on. When this case was first filed, all the pro leagues were very against sports gambling. What we've seen in the past year is attitudes have slowly shifted. Sports leagues like the NBA, Major League Baseball have started to see opportunity here. They saw the tide shifting and decided that it was kind of going this direction regardless, and they wanted to play some role in the regulation, ensuring the integrity of the games that were played, and also potentially getting a piece of the pie. What we've seen in the United States over the past several decades is an attitude shift when it comes to sports gambling. The Washington Post had a poll last year and it showed that 55% of Americans were in favor of sports gambling. So there's many reasons for that, but one of the big ones definitely is fantasy football. It has kind of desensitized the public to wagering. And what we're going to see is some of the companies that are very big in the daily fantasy business, DraftKings, FanDuel, they're going to jump right into this. They already have infrastructure in place, and they're going to be partnering with casinos, trying to make a big splash in the sports gambling field. While Monday's ruling opens the door for states across the country to allow sports gambling to their residents, New Jersey's definitely going to be one of the first ones we see open up betting windows. New Jersey's the one that filed this case. Chris Christie was the governor at the time, and his name was on the case until very recently. And the racetracks there have been preparing for this day for literally years. While we don't know how Congress is going to react, what we do know is that for the very near future, sports fans and sports gamblers have a lot more options available to them than they ever have before.